In Florida, new emergency orders and curfews have been expanded to slow the spread. The state is now up to nearly 160,000 cases. Many beaches are closing ahead of this July 4th holiday weekend, and some areas are running low on coronavirus tests. Our lead national correspondent, that's David Begnaud, is in Miami with more on this story. David, always good to see you. What are the new rules?
Good morning, my friend. They're not just telling you to wear masks here, suggesting it, saying it's a good idea. They're done with that. They're now requiring it. In fact, the mayor here in Miami-Dade County, the most populated county in the state of Florida, said you are now required to wear it outdoors, even if you can socially distance. Even if the next person is 20 feet from you, you are required to wear it, and if you don't, we may fine you.
Here goes two for you, okay?
Andrew Chung is a code compliance officer in Miami Beach. He spent more time yesterday educating people on why they should be wearing a mask and telling them it is a requirement here.
What are you hearing from the non-compliant people?
Some people walk away from me when I'm trying to talk to them, and I try not to make the situation any worse or instigate anything more.
Has the city written anyone a fine to date?
Not to my knowledge, no.
My body, my choice is what dozens of maskless protesters chanted as they marched through the streets of Sanford, Florida, outside of Orlando yesterday.
There have been studies suggesting that if 95% of Americans wear face masks, that could save over 30,000 lives by this fall.
Dr. Howard Koh is the former Assistant Secretary for Health in the Obama administration. He says he hopes to see a nationwide mask mandate to slow down the deadly virus that is far outpacing efforts to contain it right now. We stopped by Jackson Memorial, Miami's largest hospital, yesterday after getting word that they are scaling back elective surgeries and other procedures. Dr. Lily Lee is medical director in the emergency room.
How does it help you to put a pause on elective procedures right now?
Well, it's going to release some of the resources that are being focused on elective surgery onto the patients that are coming in that requires hospitalization.
So you can take some of the staff who would be working on those elective procedures and move them into the emergency department or other areas?
Absolutely.
There are 3 exceptions to the mandate now for you to wear masks outside here in Miami-Dade County. Number 1, if you're jogging. Number 2, if you have a respiratory condition that makes it hard for you to breathe with this on. And lastly, for children under the age of 2, they do not have to wear a mask. Anthony.
David Begnaud, thanks, David.